Welcome to my channel Tariq's English Diary. In today's video, I am going to tell you some of the important tips which you must take to improve your English language fluency. So what is important? The very first tip, that is practice speaking regularly. This will be the first step to follow if you want to improve your English language fluency. Practice is the key to improve your speaking. It can be, applied to any skill you want to improve. So practice is very important, whether you want to improve your writing skills, you want to improve your speaking skills, reading skills, even listening skills. So for all these skills to improve, the only key is to practice and regularly. So in terms of speaking English language speaking, so it is very important for you to speak English language on daily basis to any person you want to talk to. For example, that person can be from your family, that can be your friend, that can be even your English language teacher, and even you can talk to your own self. So this way, it will bring fluency in your English language speaking. This is the first step to follow. The next step is, it is again very important, and that is to listen to native speakers. It is very good to listen to native speakers because it will help you improve your fluency as well as your pronunciation skills, your intonation skills, your stress pattern and words. Okay, so you can have easily access these days to native speakers. You can listen to them or watch them on TV shows. Even you can watch movies, and in for example, English documentaries they have recorded. So this way it will help you improve your fluency in speaking English again. So this is the second step to follow. The third step, it is very again important to improve your fluency, and that is shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing is actually when you listen to native speakers and you immediately imitate them, you mimic them, you just imitate them what they have just said and repeat what they have just said. So in this way you will improve your speaking as well as pronunciation skills. So it's again very important step to follow, shadowing. The next step is if you want to improve your English language fluency, so you must record your own voice. That is very important because when you record your own voice, so you can listen to that voice again and again, and you can work on your areas where you have weaknesses and where you want to improve, and that particular area needs improvement. So try to speak and then record your own voice and then listen to that voice again, and then carefully look for the weaknesses you have in that particular voice. So this is the next step. So the fifth step to improve your fluency is focus on fluency over accuracy. Don't bother about making mistakes. For example, if you fear making mistakes and that's why you don't speak English, so it's very bad habit. So what you should do is just speak and speak, no matter you are making mistakes, whatever. So ignore those mistakes, bring fluency in your speaking. Don't bother about making mistakes. As if you commit mistakes, so it doesn't matter, it's natural. So with the passage of time you will overcome those mistakes, and then you will no more make any mistakes in the future. So this is another step to follow. Another step to improve your English speaking fluency is to learn basic and common day-to-day phrases, idioms and words. It will bring again fluency in your speaking, and when you use common idioms and phrases, it will sound like natural. So it's again a very good step to follow, to learn basic vocabulary, idioms and phrases in order to improve your speaking skills. Okay, another step is to speak in different situations, in different scenarios. For example, suppose you go to a hotel, so what kind of interaction happens in that hotel? For example, between customers and waiters, between customers, even customer to customer, customer to waiter, waiter to the manager, etc. So you can practice those special sentences which occur in a restaurant, in a hotel, or any other workplace. For example, you can also imagine that you go to a doctor and you make some sentences and the doctor replies. So what are the replies from the doctor side and what are your questions from the doctor? So just imagine that situation and try to speak in that particular situation. So it will help you improve your fluency again. And another point which is very important, that is, you should think in English. Don't look for translations. Don't, for example, go behind translation. For example, if somebody tells you that just talk on that particular situation, so you should not think in your own language. You should not think in your mother tongue. Just think in English and try to speak English. And again, I'll tell you that if you fear making mistakes, no, it doesn't matter if you make mistakes. So these were some steps. If you really follow them, so it will definitely improve your speaking skills and English language. Thank you for watching.